should not tolerate that. Not in Jamaica. In other countries, they eat cockroach, they eat all kind of things.
It's not cool for us. I personally don't like it or wouldn't assume that, but at least Jamaicans can probably make the rules clear that they're not allowed to do it here.
I wonder for me alone, when I watch a video with the China boy, we kill the dog and I prepare the dog for go cook in a restaurant for get Jamaica people, brother. My blood run cold. My stomach sick, brother.
This video was secretly recorded and Jamaicans have had different opinions concerning the video. Welcome to this channel, guys. There's a video that has been trending online a few months ago, and even TV Jamaica recorded or did a video about the same. It was of Chinese man or a person who is believed of Asian descent was seen in the video slaughtering a dog. It is not known whether it was slaughtering for his personal consumption or whether the particular dog was to be taken as meal in some of the Chinese restaurants or other restaurants. I've compiled several videos of Jamaicans reacting before we come back for more comments.
Alright. I wonder for me alone, when I watch a video with the China boy, we kill the dog and I prepare the dog for go cook in a restaurant for get Jamaica people, brother. My blood run cold. My stomach sick, brother. You understand? Uno China boy, man, we start holding and start stab up on the neck. Uno fi lift up out Jamaica. I don't know what kind of style that uno bring dog eating and coming to Jamaica. You understand? Uno fi lift up, brother. Yo, I just want to big up to the youth where catch the China boy on the video, but me I go tell you this China boy. You see, if I did me catch a killer dog and I go cook him give people, me tell you this. Not even God could save you. So, all of the $60 million where them a charge you, that can't rub out for what you do. You know much dog meat you make Jamaica people eat, gone on the people belly. So all of the money where them a charge you, it can't rub out. You don't have to lift up all the people country now, man. And now alone fix the road. You understand? All the artists me used to go up there for him birthday, you go have lunch. That means the artist gonna eat dog meat then. Eh? Me used to Vice Cartel go have lunch for all him birthday up at a restaurant. Me no never swear a lie, brother. That means a whole heap of out here do them something there. The amount of people who are go, where you have some people at Jamaica, them love Chinese food, them love Chinese restaurant. The amount of dog meat, them money I'm daily, brother, I don't know.
This is one of the videos in the internet of the Chinese preparing a dog meal. And one of the African brothers is trying to react on it. You can see how they're marinating and eating on it.
Preparing a dog for consumption is normal in Asia and other parts of the world, but not in Jamaica.
TV Jamaica blurred the video because of YouTube terms and policies and also because of animal rights. This video was secretly recorded and Jamaicans have had different opinions concerning the video.
I can't change the fact that I still eat Chinese food. Still eat the Chinese food.
And we should not tolerate that. Not in Jamaica. In other countries, they eat cockroach, they eat all kind of things.
It's not cool for us. I personally don't like it or wouldn't, consume that. But at least Jamaicans can probably make the rules clear that they're not allowed to do it here.
According to Jamaica's public health, dogs are not allowed for consumption. What is allowed is like bull, cattle, pig, sheep, lamb, geese, ducks, but dog is nowhere mentioned.
We would love for the person or persons who produce this video to get in touch with the Ministry of Health so that we can investigate where it took place, who committed this act. And it might be happening more frequent than we can imagine. And with the frequency of occurrence, there is the risk that there is a trade in dog meat. The bigger danger, though, we would not want those animals to enter the commercial food trade because we don't consume dogs or cats in Jamaica. The transmission of diseases, it could be a rabid dog rabies, It could be an animal that is carrying parasites, you name it. And even the person who is handling it, not a trained butcher, there are a lot of risk involved.
So, when you start eating on the yard, see them find the Chinese people and sell drunk meat at Jamaica. You see how they make it nice like a turkey on Thanksgiving Day. And no for no have some drunker DNA now, because you do not like to cook on the yard, especially uno dali. And some of feed uno pitney look there. Look how drunker neck long man. My gosh. So drunker did a near man. A man start near back drunker now. Me can't understand the Chinese man, They render evil for evil. Because if drunkard, you don't near man. The Chinese man them say, listen to me. If you don't near man can't near back drunkard. Drunkard near man near drunk.
Yes, Jamaicans. In Jamaica, overseas and abroad. Tell me why you have never seen a Chinese advertisement advertising food in Jamaica, yet Chinese restaurants are the most in Jamaica. You know why Chinese don't have to advertise their food? Because from the 1990s, the food industry already sold you all that meat is what you need for protein. Yet animals eat grass and they need protein also, but they don't have to eat their own meat from their own siblings, right? I understand. So therefore, because the Chinese have studied the race, yes, the melanated tribe, and know that we have sold our souls to the meat industry and believe in their breakfast program injected in bio books, in the school's nutrition books. They know that they don't have to advertise meat and dead starch rice. So they got you. Bye. Boom.
China, frog meat is a delicacy, said to taste like chicken. Some believe it even has aphrodisiac properties. And the chefs, they can prep a frog in seconds. Would you try it?
Even if they have aphrodisiac properties, that is a no for me. So this is one of the Asian ladies, probably from China. She's showing how to prepare frogs. Personally, I can't have them because, most of these animals are poisonous. So there she's preparing, washing, and generally showing how to, she's cleaning, and then at the end she'll feed on them. Washing them. In some parts, especially in the Caribbean and in Africa, it's very rare for people to eat such kind of food. There are some who eat, but very, very, very rare. So she's preparing, that is scallion, and then boiling. Generally, the whole process of how they do it. Personally, I can't have such kind of foods. It is disgusting to me, but to some, maybe they do like. But if the people who are fond of preparing, they can prepare it and give you, and maybe you won't be able to tell. So we should be watchful of the kind of foods that we eat, where we eat.
chicken, you know it's from Orchid Garden Restaurant. You get a decent amount of food for a reasonable price. You can't go wrong with a $6.50 box of sweet and sour chicken and fried rice, or my favorite, chicken steak with sweet and sour gravy. You can find Orchids in Clock Tower Plaza half a tree. And me no know if the food just sweet so, or if it was a taste of nostalgia, but I instant food bunks just take me over.
Come have Chinese food in Jamaica with me.
Back with another food review. Every time I go to Golden Bowl, the video blows up. Today I decided to try some new items to see if I'm gonna put y'all on or no. So you guys know I always get the choy fan. It's $2,800 and you get 4 meats and you can share it with your family. I got chicken and sweet corn soup, so good, and my dad got crab and sweet corn. We got fried wontons. Pork is inside. So good, but make sure you doctor it up with sweet and sour sauce, ginger scallion, and soya sauce. I also got a lychee daiquiri. It was also very good. I made my mom try it, and she's very picky when it comes to daiquiris because I don't like when the drinks are too sweet. This is how the wonton look when you doctor it up. This is 8. You get 4 meats. Sweet and sour pork is my favorite, and make sure you get the noodles. The seasoned noodles is so good. I don't really like rice, so it's good. I kind of got very full on the wontons, but make sure you eat it with a ginger scallion. That green thing right there, yeah, that's my thing. Make sure you ask for Nikisha when you come. And when you guys go, try the choy fan and wontons and let me know what you think.
Jamaican Chinese food is just undefeated to me. In all the countries I have been to, me is yet to taste a Chinese food as good as Chinese food in Jamaica. And I have to come here to make this video because whole heap of people come to Jamaica and talk about how KFC in Jamaica is the best. KFC in Jamaica is undefeated, and nobody is talking about the shiny food. Look at nice shiny food cooked in Jamaica. I mean, not enough for go to China, go be disappointed. And let me tell you, I have traveled to a few countries and I am yet to taste shiny food as good as this here that you see on the screen. All of this was made in Jamaica with love. Look at nice, all the different style, and you can see some I eat no land animals, a beer fish and them thing there, but look at this. A beer cabbage them I use. If you go to Central and South America, no like a pack showing nothing green. The thing just look white and just pale. They might give you good amount of shiny food still. This one here in Panama wasn't so bad. The stream, the rice, they will make it, it will dry and it just never make it. But the shrimp them did good. Them didn't season good and thin, and the almond did good and the price did good too. But it's not a 10 out of 10 experience. We are yet between Panama, Colombia, and Brazil. Yet to have a 10 out of 10 shiny food experience. So may I pan uno in the comments to let me know which country in the world uno have been to that can match the flavor and the succulence of Chinese food cooked in Jamaica. And me for sure have to book a ticket go over there, because me would have to go and experience it for myself. This year was in Colombia and it wasn't so bad because the lady there come from Hong Kong, so we don't disappoint that much, but still it's not the same. I know that them have to adjust them because to fit the crowd that them catering to. So for Jamaica it will be more spicy and thin, but still the colors and so not a day.
So thank you so much for sticking around looking at these videos that I've specially compiled. As you know, in Jamaica, dogs are not commonly eaten, and it's generally not part of the mainstream Jamaican cuisine. However, there are very few isolated cases. The cases that are known are counted. Even here in Africa, those cases are very few. And in certain regions where these cases occur, where people it is said that have consumed the dog meat, it's due to cultural and historical reasons. But these instances are rare. They are very rare, and they are not widely acceptable or accepted. The majority of Jamaicans keep dog as pets. Dogs are said to be man's best friend, and in such kind of videos sends a lot of chills to many people, because as you know, the Chinese are are the ones constructing, or they constructed the north-south toll highway, and among other constructions or infrastructure, they are playing a crucial role. And there are some of them who maybe, if it is true, if they are engaging this, they could you could walk into a hotel, especially those Chinese hotel, and then request for a meal, only to end up eating your best friend, that is your dog. Anyway, this case has not been confirmed, and one of the officials from the Ministry of Health in Jamaica is calling on the person who recorded the video, so that they can contact the Ministry of Health, and they can conduct a multi-agency kind of approach to look into the matter. Uh, the dogs in Jamaica are treated as beloved members of the families, and according to Jamaica's Public Health Act concerning the butchery regulations, dogs is not anywhere mentioned or allowed to be eaten. So the person who recorded that video is kindly requested to contact with the Ministry of Health so that they can look into this matter. And also, the video, as recorded by or posted in TV Jamaica, has been blurred because of YouTube terms and policies, because it says also animals have their rights. So the Jamaican cuisine is well known for a lot of dishes. For example, jack chicken, curry goat, oxtail, other seafoods. And also in some places it has been voted as the best or the second best cuisine in the world. So with such kind of videos, it has as you have seen, the reactions are mixed, because there are some who are just saying that people are just posting that to taint the image of the Chinese, and while others are saying that it is true. Maybe you might go there and order for some meat, maybe a goat curry, and you are given a different kind of meat. So at this point, I think they need to investigate clearly and carefully to look into this matter, so that Jamaicans are safe, because this culture was not there. And not all the Chinese are bad, but there are some who, with ill motive, they are in for gains. They want to gain more than taking care of or looking after the health, or taking they don't generally, they don't care about the well-being of others. What they are only after is gaining, and gaining financially. So this has been the video for today. You can leave down your comment section, or your comment on what do you think about this. And personally, if you walk into a Chinese restaurant, would you even order some of the foods, like as you have seen, there are some of them who prepare some weird foods like snakes, like frogs. This is very weird, because and in countries like Africa, yes, there are cases where people do feed on them, but it is very rare, and it is unlikely to find an African, or maybe members from the Caribbean taking them. What is your opinion on this whole situation? What do you think about these videos? Until next time, God's blessings.